Hi, here we are going to see golden bead with Zadi. Take a cotton thread, take a bead, give a chain and again one chain in the middle and one more bead. So in between each bead you have to give one chain. So in that gap we are going to stitch a Zadi. So lock it in the end. Take a Zadi. I am stitching the Zadi with the cotton thread. You can use Saree also to stitch Zadi. So I am taking a long Zadi and breaking and stitching it. If you don't know this method, you can stitch a small Zadi also. But sometimes it will give you gaps in the middle. To avoid that, you have to practice this method. So pull the extra spring and cut it. Make a knot in the end and complete. So the stitch is done now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.